Hey, what's up, besties? Hey. So it's me and it's Tarshelle, and then Babe is in there, but he'll be sitting here soon. And we are getting ready to head to Atlanta for the Budget Missions workshop. And we got dressed up a little bit before the trip, which is not normal. Y'all know I usually be in like a hoodie or something like that traveling. But we're gonna go to Old Lady Gang as soon as we get there. Because if you guys didn't know, I'm on a fast, and so I can't eat certain things. I have to stay away from sugars, soda, and no meat. So basically I'm over here starving. So if y'all see me start withering away, that's why my energy levels. But I am doing a detox tea. I don't know where my little cup is, but I'm doing a detox tea at the same time. So this should be interesting to see, and I'll show you guys the results of that. Here comes Babe. He got us some pizza. So good. Is it really good? It's so good.
They said it was the bomb.
Really?
But they
okay, there's Babe, so you guys can see Babe. He has to scoot over. He had to scoot over in the camera. There you go. Don't block Tarshelle though.
See what I'm saying? So, you need
so maybe I need to scoot over.
Yeah.
Okay, but anyways, so we're headed to Atlanta, and we'll be back with more exciting trip footage. Okay. All right, you guys. So we have made it to where are we?
We're in Birmingham, and I'm eating again.
We have made it to Birmingham, and now I'm finna to put my makeup on because we said we was gonna be looking cute today. So just a little bit of a, I guess, a pro tip: if you have oily skin, it's good to set your primer with a powder, and I like to set it with like a loose powder, and then I put that like with a sponge that's kind of damp, and put that on my face, and this helps protect me. So like if I start sweating or anything, I can wipe my face off, and boom, it'll still be like cute underneath. Because like Sunday at church, it like, was it Sunday? What day was it I had looked cute? Yo, it was Tuesday at church, Monday night. Whatever New Year's night was, and I had sweated because it was really hot in the choir stand. For some reason, I don't know why, they think it's like all churches you got to put the heat on in the country. I don't understand that, but anyways, so it was really hot up there, and we were singing and moving and just feeling the spirit. But even after church, like all I did was just block my face, you know, don't swipe, pat, don't swipe, and boom, my face is back to normal. So that's just a little trick. And the stuff that I use for my face, because I am oily and I sweat, so I need all the protection I can get. I use this NARS, and this is the Pore and Shine Control, and then Makeup Forever, and this is the matte, the super matte powder. And I'm telling you all this because Tarshelle is in the back, and
I'm gonna put my foundation on like lotion.
Exactly. She will use like something like this and rub it all over her face. So
that's exactly what
I'm secretly trying to tell her what to do at the same time as I'm just telling y'all. But anyway, so yeah, I'm doing my makeup in the car. Babe is driving. He's up and alert, so he's driving us on into Atlanta, and we're gonna head and go straight into Old Lady Gang, hopefully, if everything goes as planned. And yeah, all right, so we will see you in a little bit, right? So we made it. Hey, Fishy. Tarshelle waving like she ain't already been seen. So we are at the Old Lady Gang, and we're gonna see how this food tastes. I'm excited, and I like the sleeves on my shirt. It's like puffy like that. All right, but anyway, so that's what we're doing.
My husband said he was coming tomorrow. He ain't coming.
You think he'll come?
He ain't coming. We're on our way up here for this.
Please go ahead and just get all the footage.
All right, you guys, so I have been a terrible vlogger today, only because I drove and then like it got dark and I was trying to do my makeup in the car and all that stuff. So anyways, we went live on YouTube. If you guys missed it, it's on my channel. I'll have it like linked up here or whatever. And so now we're getting ready to go to bed because we have to be up early in the morning, and I'm not really ready for that. Babe is right here. He has retired for the night. He said he's done being my, what did you say? my man. What do you got? What is this on the pillow? Did you eat on the pillow?
Yeah, I did get into them ribs, you know. I had late night munchies. So I had to get into my ribs, and I had messed around and got them on the pillow. So, hey, good night for you.
Did you just sing Late Night Munchies? I got the late night munchies. Is that from that? You're so crazy. All right, you guys. So I will catch you in the morning, and it'll be Budget Misses workshop time. Okay. Good morning. Ooh, our faces look fresh and clean. So we're down here. We're about to get us some breakfast, and oh, they have some cute. I say cute. They have some good-looking fruit right here. So I'm gonna get a waffle because that's what I always get. They have bagels too, and really crunchy bacon. Let me show you. It's like really, really crunchy. Okay. And so they have like the breads. Okay, so Babe has bacon, and all of that bacon is not his, but I put that on my plate, but you guys know I'm on a fast, and I forgot, and I was just grabbing bacon because I'm so used to it. And so now he has to eat all the bacon for me, and it looks kind of good. You're so petty. And he has some fruit and a yogurt. He's eating really healthy this morning. I'm proud of him. And then here's me with my waffle and my cranberry juice. All right, so we're getting ready to head to go pick up the stuff for the event. Yeah.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Spring Street Northwest.
Turn right, so we're turning right. Anyway, so yeah, we're finna go do that, and I'll take you guys along with me. All right, so we're getting ready to start the workshop. We have a lot of people here already. We're so excited. So this is very exciting, and Tita is here. She's already done her thing, and here's our little setup. All right, so we're getting ready. What do you say? eBay. Overtime. Crafting things. I started a YouTube channel that has increased my income in an Etsy shop. Okay, so the event is over. It was amazing. I had a great time. Everybody was so fun, and I'm just so thankful for everything. So this was well worth it. I'm excited. I hope we have. Is my lash coming up, y'all? My lash is coming off. Want anybody gonna tell me my lash is coming off? I think I got some glue. Like my lash is like gonna fall off. Wow. How many pictures did I take with my lashes like that? I guess you can't really see it. I'm like having a whole like little thing right now. I'm gonna put some lashes on. But anyways, so now we're finna have this. I don't have a patience for I learned to because once you get to know it, because you know like that brother. So I have made a new best friend. And I have a namesake. And her name is Joy. And I have a daughter named Michelle. So she's bringing me joy, and I'm reminding her of her daughter. So this is awesome. Thank you so much for blessing my soul today. Awesome. So we're getting ready to go. We're just waiting for somebody to come take our picture. It's been awesome. Let me show you guys. Here's everybody. Say hi. I see the top of my little butt. Okay, let's move that out the way. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna take a picture and then we're heading back to the hotel.
Maybe not.
Okay, so we're about to head back to the hotel. Courtney just did like a 5-minute vlog on Shay's camera, so we're gonna see if Shay ended up putting the footage in there, because apparently Courtney was talking to the fellas again. I keep trying to tell him it's mostly women. Like, I don't know too many fellas that watch other than
women
him.
got fellas.
The women got fellas?
Yeah. Y'all got fellas. So I'm reaching out to them. You know, they may not watch vlogs and all that. But I'm gonna have to get them on board. Look like.
Wow. Don't cut too close.
I got this.
Oh, my
See what I'm saying? They always try to tell you what to do. Don't cut too close. Don't cut too sharp.
There's a whole car behind you.
Don't cut too open. Nah, wait a minute. I'm driving. Well, let me do this.
Okay, you do you.
See, okay. Fellas, that's what I'm talking about right there. We got to take it back. We got to take the stand, y'all.
Take what back? What are you taking back?
Because y'all always trying to tell us what to do.
So what you trying to take back?
The stand. You
okay.
know what I'm saying? See, y'all, you know, feel like y'all be running the stuff. You know what I'm saying? We just sit back and really let y'all feel like that. But 2019, I ain't going for that. No. You know what I'm saying? Cause she feel like she run it all. She just got everything. No, that ain't how this stuff roll.
I'm gonna have to bleep that out now. We are a family channel.
Man, get your shit together. Put your foot down. Take back the stand, man.
Take back. I don't understand this stand. Why are you like starting the whole movement over nothing? Like, what are you starting the movement
The women
for?
feel like you just the help. You ain't no help, fella.
I wish I would have saved the footage from last night because I was talking about him and I called him the help and he got so upset.
Oh, I wasn't going. I ain't going for that.
He went off on me yesterday. It was hilarious, but yeah. So we have to head back to the hotel room, and we have Jasmine back in the back. Can you see? Yeah, okay, they can see. This little thing is like blocking everything. It's a little dark in here. This side. Why is that car going that way? That's so weird. I guess he changed his mind. Oh, okay. But yeah. So yeah, that's what we're getting ready to do. And I'm gonna go take a nap. Courtney's gonna go out.
I'm gonna take a nap too.
You taking a nap?
Yeah.
It's 5. I was gonna say it's 5:46. No, it's 6:46.
6:46.
Turn to the right.
Time for a nap.
I'm gonna take a nap, and then I think he's gonna go out, and then I'm gonna stay in, and I'm gonna read my Bible because I'm a good little Christian girl. And that sounds real good, didn't it? That sounds like a good person. Y'all should get like me.
Fellas.
Oh gosh.
Take
okay, guys.
this
See you later. Gotta go.